Welcome to Biology BaseCamp. We're very excited about your interest in this program. This is a new paradigm for learning and experience in the transformation of human wellness. In a world that is now pretty saturated with these health summits and online summits and everything else, we want to make it clear that this is a totally different experience. If you're interested in just absorbing didactic information as you do with your podcasts or your webinars or whatever TED Talk you may be absorbing, if that's your comfort zone, we recommend you do not take Biology BaseCamp. This is a completely different mechanism of delivery. It's a completely different experience and commitment on your part. Biology BaseCamp is literally setting a new trend towards an interactive experience where you are being paired not with me as a physician. You're being paired with a data set that you are going to be then empowered to apply to your own life through the mirror of your life coach. Each of you will be paired with a coach that has been trained in this intrinsic health approach. And in that pairing, you're going to have the experience of watching yourself transform with this information. Not because I'm transformative, but you are intrinsically transformative. You have the ability to heal and set a new vibration for yourself that you have never experienced before. I'm excited for you to look at some of the testimonials that we can share with you from the previous Biology BaseCamps. These are people that have been consuming information online and in-person webinars, summits, immersive experiences for 25, 30 years, and when they take Biology BaseCamp and they engage on this level of commitment for transformation, the results are unprecedented in these people's lives. We are very excited for you to engage on this level. It's a new responsibility to not just humans and our rise as a species, but to yourself. You have been investing through all different avenues, the supplements you take every month, the food that you invest in, the exercise programs, the gym memberships. It goes on and on what you've invested into self. So much of that is an external experience. What you can find from the internal experience that you're going to be invigorated through Biology BaseCamp for can redefine everything that you do in your life. It can become a new foundation for those things that are externally there to provide that framework for health and wellness. We're excited for you to engage. We're excited for you to eliminate any experience you've had before, any expectations that you've had on previous experiences in this interaction, and be willing to start with a fresh slate, a new foundation to work from, a new understanding, a new level of empowerment. That's what we feel we're bringing to you in Biology BaseCamp. We can't wait for your testimonial to be one of those powerful change agents for somebody in the future. Thank you for your time. We look forward to engaging one-on-one.